Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So, what's going on, my brothers? Today video is going very special for her money holder because her money is totally in the lost, and a lot of her money holder ask me to what we do in this critical situation. Because if you can see here, her money result as totally is goes down, market cap, everything, price also decrease. So what we do in this critical situation? So let's get started this brand video, my brother. Today video I tell you to what we do, and this time sell, buy or hold, and this is what I am. Okay, so this is very hard decision. Please, first of all, we see the all result of this cryptocurrency, and then we decide to this is selling or buying time. So guys, if you can see here, I request you please, I request you please subscribe abs tech channel if you are new on our youtube channel, because I updating you, I guide you any cryptocurrencies, and every hour, every bet are good time. Okay, so let's get start this brand video. Guys, if you can see here, this time the price has gone up, but this time if you can see here, and those days, the previous 2 days, they are totally in the loss. You can see here minus 2.87%, they're going down. This is very big change and last 24 hour. You can see here in the price also decreased 0.1461 US dollar as the latest price. So they are going down day by day. Why they are go? This is one big reason, and I explain in this video. Okay, so but first of all, if you can see here, this time the market cap to what's going on in the market cap is totally in the lost. Absolutely, market cap is in the lost. And if you know about the crypto market lost 10 billion US dollar in the last 3 days. Guys, last 3 days. If you know about this, please search on visit on my youtube channel, subscribe, and check the special latest video you found it. Okay, I special make a video for market cap. Okay, so this special bad news, as you can see here, this time full diluted market also goes down everything, and this time you can see here, and the ground and the this cryptocurrency goes down. You can see here the volume last 24 hour has also 26% gone down, 26.68% gone down. This is not a small change. You can see here, this is very bad. You can see here full diluted market also 2% goes down. So what's going on? Let's check out the last two and the chart. First of all, we check out the chart to what's going on in the last 24 hour to what's going on, and then we decide to this is bad, this is good time. Okay, what we do, sell, buy, hold. Okay, so if you can see here the chart result, this is not bad like other cryptocurrency. In those days, every cryptocurrency is totally goes down, but they take some time, very high jump. You can see here, but again they take a dump, but absolutely they're going straight sometime. This is one big reason today are decreasing, and day by day, this is one big reason. I think this is the start of month. Yes, this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency goes down. But when I see this type of result, then I excited, then my expectation is gone good, because they gone again like a rocket. This is very fastest cryptocurrency, everybody know about this. This is very fastest cryptocurrency, and I hope upcoming days they gone like a rocket. Okay, so if you can see here, this time the market full diluted. You can see here the change last 24-hour price change as 2.07%. I already said that. And if you can see here, the trading volume as 26% gone down. Otherwise all result has gone good, but this time market cap also goes down. You can see here, and full diluted market also in negative. So these 3 4 things, and this cryptocurrency is completely goes down. My brother, wait for a good time. I also share my opinion and my expectation about this. So please, you also share your opinion and expectation about this. Okay, so my opinion is that, to if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is not a good days for you to buy it. Okay, but if you are a holder already, you hold it, then please hold it. No, don't sell it. Please wait for the end of this month. Can you agree me to this is holding time? Please tell me. Okay, so hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope in upcoming days they go like a rocket, and they make you millionaire. So what you say, please tell me in a comment box. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.